Everyone, today we are going to have another reading lesson. Today we will read simple sentences. Let's learn to read short vowel sentences. So are you ready? Let us start. The boy has a dog. We'll read it again. The boy has a dog. The boy is in the car. The boy is in the car. Dan has a toy gun. Don has a toy gun. The fish is in the net. The fish is in the net. Ben naps on the bed. Ben naps on the bed. Anna has a pet cat. Anna has a pet cat. The boy is in the farm. The boy is in the farm. Ton hits the ball with a bat. Ton hits the ball with a bat. He runs in the mud. He runs in the mud. His socks are wet. His socks are wet. Pom has a doll. Pom has a doll. The gift has a tag. The gift has a tag. The pot is hot. The pot is hot. The cat is on the mat. The cat is on the mat. The bird is in the nest. The milk is in the glass. The milk is in the glass. He has a wet mop. He has a wet mop. Okay, it's your turn to read. Okay, it's your turn to read. Kindly read it. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. You're able to read it well. So, once again, this is Teacher Yumi saying thank you and God bless. Bye.